A son who lost his mother in the biggest wildfire in Texas history wants someone held accountable. The son of 83-year-old Joyce Blankenship filed a wrongful death lawsuit today on his mom's behalf. She died in the city of Stinnett. Paul Blankenship says his mother lived alone, was hard of hearing, and likely never heard any warnings to get out. He's suing multiple companies linked to a faulty power pole and lines that state officials say likely caused those wildfires.
This is not a terribly uncommon thing to have heard around California the last couple of years with PG&E, massive wildfires that killed a lot of people, unfortunately. And yes, these utility companies, and any company, frankly, for that matter, if you do not maintain your equipment and it's reasonably foreseeable that that could cause a fire, which could lead to people's death and the destruction of their property, they will be held responsible under the law. It's pretty straightforward. So I think even in a case like this, they didn't, if they know of or should have known that there was a danger or risk and that this could happen, then there is liability there. Again, the damages, what those are unique to each case, but they would be substantial in any kind of wrongful death suit. Again, this is pretty straightforward, and unfortunately it's been happening a lot more than everybody would like to see. And I think everybody over the last several years have started to realize how dangerous and how much risk utility lines create for risk of fire. And if they're not maintained, some of the equipment on our grid is so old and it was never intended to have this level of capacity running through it, and we cobble it together and try to maintain it, and it's just kind of barely hanging on. And at some point the utility companies are going to have to realize that they're going to have to make much better and bigger efforts to make the system safe for everyone, and we all pay a bloody fortune in utility rates, and I guess the question is, where does all that money go? And they're either going to have to spend it on improvements, or they're going to pay for it in settlements and lawsuits. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.